guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lexus Nicole here, and today we're going to be doing like an at-home waxing, like quarantine, like makeover, quarantine, like maintenance day, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna get our life together because my eyebrows is looking cray. I don't know if y'all can see, but I'm getting a unibrow, and I just need to like clean up around these areas because I'm getting real hairy. So we gonna get our eyebrows together, and we're just gonna get our life. So let's get into it. If you are new to my channel, thank you for tuning in. Hi, hello, how you doing? If you are new, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more videos coming soon. If you want to see your girl in some more videos, so let's just get into it. Okay, so just a close-up of my eyebrows. As you can see here, like I have fuzzies all in this area, and then I just need to clean up around my eyebrows and just get these together. You know, we just gotta get it done. So what I'm gonna use, okay, so today for my eyebrows I'm gonna be using a Nair. I use Nair all the time for my eyebrows. This gets me right. I like the cucumber smell because the other like smells smell weird to me. Other smells smell weird. But we're going to be using this one today. I'm going to show you how I use this with just a Q-tip to get my eyebrows right. This is so quick and easy to me, but I have to do this fast because I have gotten scarring before for keeping it on too long. So I'm going to show you how I use this today to get my eyebrows right. So all you're going to need are some Q-tips and your Nair. This is so quick and easy. Usually what I do is, I wipe my eyebrows off with like a rag or whatever, and I'm using the Nair on the top of my lips and on my chin. So this is a fast process. If it seems fast, I'm sorry, but your girl gotta work fast because this stuff can burn your skin. I was gonna wax, but I'm scared to see how that's gonna come out, so I'm gonna have to do that off camera first, and then I'll show y'all what that look like. All right, so I'm gonna take some Nair and I'm gonna like kind of squeeze it into the top, just like that. You can use however much you want to. If your eyebrows just hairy, then do use this. But I am gonna start with my eyebrows first because this is the most tedious part, and I don't want my eyebrows to be looking crazy. Like, even though we inside the house, like, I still want eyebrows that look good. So before I get into my brows, I'm gonna just take a spoolie and kind of brush these out. A clean spoolie, I cleaned this off, and I'm gonna brush them out. If you want to keep your Q-tip the way this looks, you can, but usually I just take some off just to make it more precise, and then I just twist it some more so it'll like get a smaller tip. I don't know if y'all can see the difference. This one is bigger than this one, so that's what you can do. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I'm just gonna take some more off because, like I said, I do want this to be precise, and I don't want my eyebrows looking crazy. So we gotta get this right, honey. All right, so I'm gonna take some of my Nair that I have inside of my top, and we're just gonna get to working. So I'm gonna put it on my eyebrows first, right in the middle. I cannot talk during this process because I gotta be careful, and I gotta make sure my eyebrows look right. All right, so once I got that down and I feel like it's all lined up to my liking, I'm gonna take some more, and now we're gonna go underneath the brow. So basically what you're doing with the Nair is basically outlining your brow like you would when you're like concealing your brows or whatever. And you do want to make sure that you're being careful with this, because however you do your brows is how they're going to come out. So if you mess up putting this on, your brows going to look crazy. That's why you have to take your time in getting your brows how you want them to look. All right, so now we're gonna go through this upper lip real quick. I'm gonna use the other side because it's kind of bigger, and I'm going to be doing like a larger area. So I'm just gonna put this across my mouth like this. And that's done. And then I'm gonna do my chin. I'm just using the rest of whatever I have in here. Okay, so I forgot to tell y'all to only keep this on between 3 and 5 minutes. No longer than that or it's gonna burn. And it's gonna leave a scab and you're gonna be mad. And yeah. It was kind of weird on my skin. I know when I'm like letting it sit like how I am right now, it's kind of like, you know, like not burning but burning. So I know, especially like in this area, and I don't know if y'all can see, but hold on, let me focus it. I don't know if y'all can see, but the brows in the middle, they get kind of like squiggly looking. I don't know if y'all can see that, but in the middle of my brow, they get kind of squiggly looking, and that's how I know when it's ready to come off. But because I just put this on my chin and my mouth, I'm gonna let it sit for like maybe 30 more seconds. Because this part doesn't really take long to come off. It's just my brow, because it's more hair at the top than up in this area. So yeah, let me go get a towel because I gotta take this stuff off. So I'm using hot water first, and then I'm gonna use cold water afterwards. Not hot water, but more of like warm. So I'm gonna start with my mouth because that part kind of goes really fast because I don't really have that much hair there, and the hair is relatively small. So that's gonna go quicker than anything else. And then I'm gonna go to my chin, because those hairs are relatively small too, and they're not as thick as my eyebrow hairs. I'm just gonna go back over that because it kind of stings and the warm water feels good. So I'm gonna go to my eyebrows now, and I'm just wiping up like that and across like that. Up and across, up and across, up and across, up and across. Same thing for the other side. Up and across, up and across. Every time I do my brows, I get redding. Every time I do this, my brows are red, my face is red. But yeah, this is the reveal of my brows. Looking way better than what they did before. You can kind of tell that I missed a couple hairs right there, but I didn't want it to stay on for any longer, so I just took it off because it was already like tingling, and that's how you know when it's ready. Okay, so here you can see a better visual of what my face looked like after the Nair. You can see the redding and all above my mouth, the redding. Not really too much on my chin. I don't really get redding on my chin. Usually I get it in my brows and above my lip. So what I do before everything starts to like dry and like, you know, transform, I mix some cocoa butter. I mix some cocoa butter with some hydrocortisone, and I mix those two together, and I put it above my lip like that. And I also put the same thing above my eyebrow. Like that. And then I do that maybe like twice today, and it'll be like brand new tomorrow. You won't even know that I did my face. So yeah.
The next day.
Hey y'all, so I'm sitting in my bed and I'm realizing that I did not give a proper proper outro to the brows. So I just wanted to show y'all these how they look. It's a day later, by the way. It's like nighttime a day later, and I just wanted to show y'all how they looked afterwards. Put my glasses down. So this is how they look. Is no more redness. Like I told y'all in the video, use hydrocortisone and cocoa butter, and that'll remove the redness. I don't have any redness. I don't have any scarring at all. And that was because the camphorphenique and then the cocoa butter also helped as well. So yeah, my face is properly groomed. I hope y'all liked my video. I hope it was informational enough for y'all. But yeah, that's all I have for y'all today. Thank you for watching this video. If you did watch it, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos coming soon. And yeah, guys, talk to y'all later. Love you. Be blessed. Stay home. Stay safe. And talk to y'all later. Bye.